In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language setting on Turo as of 2025. Now, this process is straightforward, but following these steps will ensure you do it correctly and efficiently. Let's dive in. Firstly, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Turo's official website by typing in turo.com in the address bar. If you haven't done so already, make sure to log into your account. This is crucial because without logging in, you might not be able to access all the settings needed to make the change. Once you are logged in, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Now, here's an important tip. Keep your eye on the footer section. This is where you're going to locate the language selector. It's usually displayed as English, United States, or whatever the current setting of your language might be. The footer is designed to provide quick links and settings access, so finding the language selector here helps streamline the process. Now, what you need to do next is click on the language menu. It's simple. When you click on this menu, a list of available languages will pop up in front of you. It's important to take a moment here to scan through the list and find the language you are most comfortable with or require for your usage. After you've carefully looked through the language options, go ahead and select your preferred language. You'll notice that the moment you click your desired language, the site will automatically refresh itself. This means that the change is now effective, and you can continue to use the website with the new language settings in place. It's a seamless transition and makes the user experience smooth. Now, if you find yourself wondering why this option might be useful, remember that language settings can enhance your browsing experience, especially if English isn't your first language. This can help you navigate the site more effectively, understand the card descriptions or booking nuances better, and ultimately lead to a more fulfilling experience on Turo. And there you have it, an easy yet comprehensive guide on changing the language on Turo's website. Make sure to save your settings and test the pages to ensure everything is displaying correctly in your chosen language. This edit will persist across your browsing sessions, so no need to repeat the process unless you want to change the language again in the future. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and I hope this helps enhance your Turo experience. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or contact Turo's support team. Have a great day.